Okay, here is the AB sensors with the little piece slid back in there. As you're putting it back together, make sure that these things stay inside the little block. They could possibly fall out as you're putting it back together. Make sure they stay inside. Now, you will definitely have to do adjustments once you get it back in by making sure that it stays in those blocks. So just be prepared to make your adjustments, your AB sensor adjustments. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here now. And then after that, it's a matter of just put the screws back where they're supposed to go, and fixing these cables back where they're supposed to go. Basically it.